Tired of hearing the same boring ringtone as everyone else? What if you could turn your favorite song, voice note, or even a meme into your very own custom ringtone, all for free? Well, today I'll show you how to create a custom ringtone right on your phone, step by step. Let's start with Android users. You don't need a computer or any special software, just an app called MP3 Cutter and Ringtone Maker or AudioLab from the Play Store. Here's how it works. 1. Open the app and select any audio file. It could be a song, voice memo, or downloaded clip. 2. Trim the section you want, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. 3. Fade in or fade out the sound if you want it smoother. 4. Then hit save as ringtone and boom, it's ready. You can even set it directly as your phone ringtone, alarm, or notification sound. Now for iPhone users, it's slightly different but still free. You'll need the GarageBand app, which comes pre-installed on iPhones. Open it, choose Audio Recorder, import your song, and trim the section you want. Then tap Share, Ringtone, Export, and your iPhone will instantly add it to your ringtone list. You can set it right away from Settings, Sounds, Ringtone. Want to make things more fun? You can even use AI voice generators or text-to-speech tools to create funny or personalized tones, like your name being called, or a robotic voice saying, "Pick up the phone, it's important." And if you'd rather create something unique from scratch, try Soundtrap or BandLab, both free apps where you can compose beats or melodies, then export them as ringtones. Remember, your ringtone doesn't have to be a full song. Shorter clips are better and sound cleaner when your phone rings. Just make sure the file format is MP3 for Android or M4R for iPhone. So to recap. 1. Android, use MP3 Cutter or AudioLab. 2. iPhone, use GarageBand. 3. Optional, try AI or music apps for creative tones. Now your phone doesn't have to sound like everyone else's, it sounds like you. So go ahead, make your own ringtone today, and let your phone ring with your personal style. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.